Colder months are approaching, but that doesn't mean you have to shiver while you're finishing a DIY project or organizing garden tools in your garage. If you're looking for the best space heater to keep you warm and safe while you work, there are a few things to keep in mind. Here are the best space heaters for your garage, according to home heating experts. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Powersourcehub Present Top 5 Best Space Heater for Garage. Let's get started. Number 1. Lasko Oscillating Ceramic Tower Space Heater. Automatic overheat protection, oscillating feature, 3-year warranty. Things to keep in mind: no auto-tip shut-off feature. This ceramic tower space heater sits just under 2 feet and produces 1,500 watts of heat power. According to Lasko, this will comfortably heat around 300 square feet, so it's a great option for heating your garage. It comes with a remote control and high heat 500 watt and low heat 900 watt options, as well as a 7-hour timer and a 3-year warranty. It's cool to the touch, and while it does have overheat protection, it does not come with auto-tip shut-off. However, the oscillating feature makes this a great choice for heating a large area, such as a garage. Number 2. PELONIS PHTPU 1501 Ceramic Tower Space Heater. Overheat and tip-over protection, oscillating feature, quiet. Things to keep in mind: reviewers say it's hot to the touch. Sitting just under 2 feet tall, this ceramic tower heater from PELONIS comes with a host of features: a programmable thermostat, remote control, overheating and tip-over auto shut-off qualities, and oscillation. It promises to heat up to 70 degrees in 3 seconds and operates on low, high, and eco modes. Reviewers say it's quiet, but report that it can become hot to the touch, so this is not the best option if you have furry friends or children playing nearby. Number 3. ISILER Space Heater 1500W Portable Indoor Heater. Reviewers say it's a bit noisy. This small but mighty ceramic space heater measures 7 by 6.7 by 6 inches, but still produces 1,500 watts of heat. According to ISILER, this small portable heater can quickly warm about 108 square feet, but reviewers say this beast can take on much more than that. The heater is cool to the touch and has an automatic tip-over shutoff as well as an automatic shutoff once your desired temperature has been reached, so it's a good choice if you've got pets or kids to keep in mind. Number 4. Aikoper 1500W Ceramic Tower Heater. Reviewers say the remote control is difficult to use. Aikoper packs multiple features into this 2-foot-tall oscillating ceramic heater. This 1,500 watt tower heater comes with a remote control, 8-hour timer, and safety features such as cool housing, overheat protection, and automatic shutoff if tipped over. Reviewers note that it's very quiet, and even though it puts out 1,500 watts, it can heat up to 700 feet, it just takes a little more time. Number 5. Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Portable Tower Space Heater. A previous version of this heater had a beeping sound that reviewers complained about, so be sure to get the updated version that does not beep. The Smart Tower ceramic heater from Atomi checks all the boxes for an effective, reliable, and safe space heater for your garage. It puts out 1,500 watts, but according to Atomi and reviewers, it can heat up to 750 square feet. It's Wi-Fi enabled, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and has 3 settings: low heat, high heat, and an eco setting. Need extra peace of mind? It's cool to the touch, and not only does it offer automatic overheating and tip-over shut-off, but you'll immediately get an alert if it does happen to tip over. However, with a wobble-free base, it's set up for minimal tipping.